Maverick is a premier full-service engineering and construction company focusing on the design and construction of communications and electric distribution projects nationwide. The people at Maverick are dedicated, highly educated, and have the expertise required to take a project from the initial design stage through successful construction completion and commissioning. Everyone at Maverick brings a personal commitment to creating a relationship with our clients, which is based on trust, respect, and a constant striving to exceed our clients' expectations. Maverick is also proud to be a first responder in times of catastrophic events. Maverick was part of the emergency response teams for several utility companies, helping restore power to tens of thousands of homeowners and businesses during major storms like Superstorm Sandy. I want to thank you for visiting Maverick's website, and we appreciate the opportunity to compete for your business.
Maverick provides a wide range of engineering and professional services for the oil and gas industry, telecommunication companies, electric utilities, and the public sector. Typical designs include fiber to the well, fiber to the premise, wireless, DAS, intelligent transportation systems, and smart grid solutions.
Working in the power space, you need to be well trained and understand that safety is the first concern.
Every project we perform starts with a health and safety policy. We call it HASP. It outlines the project, potential hazards, personal protective equipment. It locates area hospitals and what to do in the event of an accident. It also outlines each man's personal responsibility.
Each day starts with a tailboard discussion with the crew. I discuss the job hazards, traffic management, and execution of the project. Before entering a manhole, all the guys need to be on the same page. They must have all personal protective equipment, gas detectors, and other OSHA-required gear.
We teach each person that safety starts with them and how we need to instill that practice throughout the company. It's not policy, it's our culture. We live it, we breathe it, safety first.
The goal is to do a good job safely and professionally, and make sure everyone goes home safely at the end of the day.
Attention to detail, a focused, disciplined approach, and a commitment to excellence is what we strive for.
Performing work in the power space, whether it's communications work or electrical distribution, you need to be well trained. There is no second chances if there is an accident.
Our experience and commitment is what sets us apart from other companies. We have the strength and the depth to build networks fast and efficiently nationwide.
Last year we installed over 1.5 million feet of fiber in the power space and performed over 1,200 new customer electrical connections without a single incident.
We look at projects from our client's point of view. We try to anticipate problems, and our experience and strength gives us an edge over our competition.
You call us, we respond. We are a 24/7, 365-day-a-year company that is here to meet the demands of your network. Within 2 hours, we'll have a truck and a technician there to respond to your needs. We will initially assess the situation, identify the problem, and create a plan of action.
At Maverick, our education, experience, and ability to execute with attention to detail sets us apart from our competition.
All of our crews are fully prepared with both underground and aerial equipment to meet the demands of any situation.
We take the time to understand our clients' goals and expectations. We then create a plan and work together as a team to make that project successful.
In today's world, you need a company that understands your objectives and works with the same commitment, expertise, and dedication that you have. A company that sets goals, understands deadlines, budgets, and maintains a commitment to excellence. A company that will partner with you throughout every phase, from design through construction. You want a company that will deliver real value with integrity. That company is Maverick.